The most common reason production applications go blank is unexpected schema changes at the ingestion boundary. An external team alters a column format and the entire pipeline crashes. Today we are going to build a defensive data contract to ensure our core system remains stable no matter what dirty data our sources throw at us. So, we're back in our main branch and we're looking inside the operative roster clean file. This is our curation layer. So first, let's open up a new transform and let's look at our cast to date step. Or is this date of birth? There you are. If a raw source sends a corrupted date of birth format, like a string or letters, the engine will automatically convert it to a null value. It doesn't break the build, but it isolates the invalid data. A naive developer might try to force a fallback date or something else, but that's kind of like bad engineering. It'll pollute demographic analytics downstream and mask data quality issues. For identity profiles, kind of want missing birth dates to remain null, so audit systems can flag them. So instead, we're going to continue and apply schema contracts to non-identifying operational states, like our status column, where a blank value might break a front-end workshop dropdown, but a clean default value can keep the application running. So to do this, we're going to search for a first non-null value. This function acts kind of like a SQL Coalesce statement, evaluating inputs in order and returning the first non-null value it encounters. So inside the expression list, we want to pass two inputs, and the first one being the status column, and the second input, let's make it a static value unknown, to keep our schema tidy. We're going to want to point the output back to our original status column and choose to replace it. So this gives us a pretty solid contract. And if an operative has a valid status, it'll pass through. And if the status is missing or null, the pipeline cleanly falls back to unknown. And this protects downstream application interfaces without corrupting our demographic records. So with the contract complete, we click apply. And yeah, next you're just going to want to save the change in the top menu to lock this into the production line. And pretty much by decoupling raw ingestion errors from your curated schemas, you're going to be able to build systems that degrade gracefully rather than failing catastrophically. So now that this piece in our pipeline can survive bad data, how do we orchestrate our builds so that they only run when upstream schedules are actually ready? So in the next episode, we're going to look at event-driven orchestration and cross-project SLAs.